Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Brace for unstable weather conditions from Monday night through Tuesday. That's the warning from the Met Office to Jamaicans this evening. And to give us more details on the forecast, we're joined by our in-house meteorologist, Romaine Robinson. Romaine, thank you for speaking with us. Now, the Met Office speaks about unstable weather conditions. What can we expect?
Thanks, Andrea. Now, over the next day or so, we're expecting that conditions across the island, as weather conditions across the island, should begin to deteriorate, which means an increase in cloudy conditions across the area, slightly stronger winds, especially across coastal areas, and an increase also in the amount of rainfall that we are expecting, particularly for sections of the east.
So you said sections of the east. So you're talking about parishes, for example?
St. Thomas, Portland. Also, the corporate area, Kingston and St. Andrew, is expected to be under the influence of this increase with increased shower activity. And we're also not ruling out parishes like St. Catherine or even sections of St. Mary either.
All right. So you spoke about rain and breeze. What are the factors that are contributing to these conditions that you spoke about?
Well, there is a shallow trough system that is going to get some help from a dying frontal system in the Western Caribbean. So there is likely to be an increase in clouds across the area, not just for Jamaica, but most of the Western Caribbean.
And Romaine, the Met Office spoke about a low-level jet stream. What exactly does that mean?
That's a very strong band of winds, surface to mid-level winds. That's winds that can be experienced or measured on the ground. They tend to be of the order about 25 knots, not quite hurricane or tropical storm force strength, but there are strong gusty winds. Very straight, very laminar, no major change in direction with these winds. And they tend to affect most of the open waters of the basin, not quite across the Greater Antilles, not much across the land areas, more so for the open waters. But because of how Jamaica is positioned in the Caribbean, we are under the influence of these strong winds from time to time.
And so what advice would you give to fisher folk at this time?
Well, there are marine